Question 1. The chemical formula for sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. How many sulfur atoms are in the formula for sodium sulfate? A1, B2, C6, D7. Question 2. Serotonin is a chemical substance that acts as a neurotransmitter. It helps relay messages in the human brain. The formula for one molecule of serotonin is shown below. C10H12 and 2O. How many atoms in all are in a molecule of serotonin? Record your answer and fill in your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 3. How many atoms of oxygen are in a molecule of glucose? C6H12O6. Record your answer and fill in your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 4. Using the table above, how many atoms are in baking soda? A3, B4, C6, D12. Question 5. The formula for oxygen gas you breathe is O2. Why is oxygen considered an element and not a compound? A, because it exists as a gas. B, because it contains only two atoms. C, because it consists of only one kind of atom. Or D, because it is a pure substance that forms when atoms break down. Question 6. How many elements are in a compound that has the formula NiCl2 6H2O? Record your answer and fill in your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 7. The following appears in a chemical equation. 3C2H4. How many atoms of carbon are represented by this formula? A2, B3, C5, or D6? Question 8. The chemical formula of acetate is shown below. C2H3O2. How many atoms of carbon are in one molecule of acetate? A1, B2, C3, or D7? Question 9. The chemical formula of acetate is shown below. C2H3O2. How many atoms of hydrogen are in one molecule of acetate? Record your answer and fill in your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Question 10. How many atoms are represented in the formula CaCO3? A3, B4, C5, D6.